Hi, I'm Maria Reyes with Modern Living Collective, brokered by Epic Realty. Are you looking to live in the heart of Detroit? Welcome to Brush Park. I'm so excited to introduce to you my newest listing at 61 Winder. This condo puts you at a moment's walk from popular destinations like Ford Field, Comerica Park, the Fox Theater, and Little Caesars Arena. Also, the Q line is located right at the end of the street, and you have street parking right in front of your door. 61 Winder has 1,468 square feet, 3 bedrooms, a bath and a half, all appliances included, central air with an attached garage and a bonus parking spot. Let's go check it out.